Well, welcome to Fuerteventura. It's really good flying 4 hours from England to come to this. We know that you can get a little bit of hit and miss in December, but I wasn't expecting a complete and utter downpour, and it's also quite cold. On a positive note, the scenery is stunning and the weather can turn back to sun as quick as it turned to this. So I'm saying that it's been pissing down all night, and looking at this weather, I don't imagine that it's going to turn anytime soon. So I just thought I'd share this experience with you. We know that this island, Fuerteventura, normally has beautiful weather all year. Yeah, and there's just a lot of crap going on with the weather around the world at the moment. And that's not political about all the climate crap. Generally, the planet does what it has to do. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Hopefully you'll like the video. It'll give you a good laugh. And I'll talk to you again soon.